Alicia here, holistic nutritionist and culinary educator with Path to Panacea. And I'm so grateful and excited to be partnering with the Banyan Tree Women's Collective to bring you a two-part virtual workshop and cook-along series on meal planning and batch cooking. Oh, the elusive meal planning. It's a system that we all know would probably save us some time, energy, money, and sanity, but that seems like too much work to get started. Every successful business has systems in place that help them get from point A to point B. Now, we all know there's no one-size-fits-all approach, but I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way and plenty of different options for systems that will work for you. The second part of the series, we're going to cover ways to spice it up a little, as well as ways to get the whole family involved. We're going to challenge perfection with reflection in the kitchen because perfection has no place here. So, I hope that you'll join us. Check out banyanwomen.org to sign up. The classes are February 28th and March 14th from 4 to 5:30 p.m. And I look forward to seeing you there.